If you're playing full court singles, do you know the most effective strategies? Well, today we're in luck. My co-coach, you gonna stop playing?
Yeah, I just hit a winner. I'm done. Jill's been killing me out here, so yeah.
My co-coach Tony Roy is going to help us to understand some of the basic strategies and the difference between playing doubles and playing full court singles.
Let's jump right into it.
Tony, some of the viewers may not know that your claim to fame is this the gold medal winner in the French Open singles division.
In singles, that is my claim to fame, as well as playing some singles additionally that, but yeah, I did one of those, and I was able to travel to the French Open with my wife Jill, who's helping us out today in this video. So a lot of fun in pickleball, singles and doubles.
All right, so Tony, let's jump into it. Let's talk about one of the strategies that we sometimes see players get wrong in singles.
Absolutely. So when we're playing doubles, I have Jill returning serve, and CJ is going to be the non-returner up here at the non-volley zone line. The rule of thumb is we want to play from the non-volley zone line in doubles. So when I'm going to serve to Jill, and I'm going to show you what we expect the player to accomplish or to do in a doubles match. So I'm going to serve to Jill. She's going to return, and she's going to come all the way up to the non-volley zone line. This formation is an excellent formation for them to be in when you're playing doubles. But there are times in singles, particularly on a return serve like that, I asked Jill to put her return serve here, because we're going to show you in singles, if you return like that and come in like this, you're probably going to get burnt.
We're going to replay that same shot. Tony's going to serve to Jill. Jill is going to target the center and try and hit the same return. She's going to run in just like we would if we were playing pickleball doubles, but we want to see what would happen without the other player on the court. So Tony, go ahead, take it away.
Definitely, Coach. Having the whole court available to you makes a big difference on how I can handle the return of serve once it's hit to the middle. You ready, Joe? There we go. That's just a lot of space to cover for one player when the ball is hit the way it was returned there. And what happens is here, Jill doesn't have the advantage of having a player on this side helping block that zone, making it too easy of a passing shot. Let us show you what you should do. All right, now we're going to show you what Jill would actually do. And in fairness to her, she was demonstrating the last time. She's not getting burned by me that easily. All right, Jill, now show them what you would actually do with this return of serve. By staying back there and waiting for a better opportunity to come in, Jill avoids me from hitting a clean passing shot on my third shot. When you're playing singles, be aware of when you're getting passed on the third shot and make an adjustment.
Tony, that's a great example of how when we take a strategy that's set in our brain from doubles and try and apply it to singles, it's not the same game.
That's oftentimes the case, CJ, for sure.
Now, Tony, if someone wants to learn how to play singles, not just this strategy, but all the other things that go along with playing singles, what could a player do?
If you want to learn how to play singles to the best of your ability and find the type of player that you are, join us inside our singles course at the Better Pickleball Academy.
We're going to put a link down below, so click the link and we'll join us in the Academy, and we'll see you in class.